Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. I have a roll type bed cover, which I like, but it leaks. No matter what I've done, how I've tried to do it, I must have put it on wrong. I always get water from somewhere. I always get water from somewhere that goes into the box and gets some of the stuff wet. And I'm tired of it. So we're going to try something a little different today. We're going to try a new style bed cover. Tonneau cover. Whatever cover. Cover. But we're going to try one of those. I'll show you what I got. It's not out of the box yet. I'm going to wait till I take this one off, but I'll show you the label. So what we have here is a Gator external soft trifold. I don't know if there's a part number on it. And it fits 99 to 06 Chevy, 6.5 foot. I don't know, there's a number on it here. I'll leave it down in the description when I find it. But the reason I got this is it was on a pretty good sale for a good price. Actually, I'm not sure if it was a sales price, but I bought it during Amazon Prime days. But it was like 299 bucks, which I paid 399 for that other one, which I don't like. So let's get this on, get the other one off, get this one on, and see what happens. There's some bolt slides underneath here that I'm going to have to take off. I think that's where I'm going to have to start. It's been a while since I put it on, so I actually sort of forget how to do it. What I need to do, take it off, but we'll see. So what it looks like we have here is we have a bolt that goes down, and then I know these flaps come back. So we'll start there. I mean, we're taking it off. What the hell's the difference? I'll take this other one off up here. It holds this on, I think. Oh, what's my nut? Hate when that happens. There you go. We just took that whole schmockus out, which is for tightening it and loosening it. So we'll go get the other side and we'll go from there. So we'll just pull this off, set this to the side. Maybe we'll hook the snaps first. So you know what I forgot about was when I put it on, I didn't even think about this, but I have this bed liner in so it can't lay flat against the bed. But even if that wasn't on, the bed still isn't perfectly flat with the metal. There's still, so I'm not sure if that's what was doing it, but we're going to try the other one anyhow. I mean, it may end up we're going to have to cut this top lip of the box off, but I don't know. Of course, the box was damaged in shipping. Imagine that. Notice, hand typed securely down metal flange tacks. Okay. Well, let's see if there's any damage to it. So far, it doesn't appear to be. Nice, bang it again. So we'll dig the instructions out. Warranty registration, call us first. For proper cab tail adjustment, carefully refold. Alright, well, there's supposed to be a cab seal and a way to put these on. Let's get it up on the truck. Just like put them under the bed here, just pull on it to tighten it. That I do like. I like that a lot. So let's get the rest of this together. So we tightened those up underneath here, nice. And now we'll bring this back. And we'll get these tightened. Yep, that's the, I think you can see that's the stowed position. Just bring them out like that and like that. And we didn't really have these adjusted yet, but because that's your tight position. There we go. So we'll look, we got about 5 or so threads, so that ought to give us an idea on the other one. So now we'll just put this down, put it in. Open that latch up. Yeah, I like that so far. Now we'll have to see if the tailgate goes. All right. There it goes. We're about 5 threads. So we'll bring this puppy down. About where that's at. So that's 5 threads closed. All right. Should be right about there if the sides of the bed are the same. there we go. It's on. So, as I said, I may have to cut that front of that bed off of my bed liner to get this to set down if it leaks. We'll see if it does. But even so, saying that, with these, what used to happen was, you know, you try to tighten these clamps up and they'd fall off. And then what would happen is, for me, this end would keep sliding down back here, and the water always wanted to lay on this. So that'll be interesting to see now what happens when it rains, if the water will lay or if it'll come off of it. But I like the design of the clamp better, but I'm going to show you one thing before I go. Now, this Gator is supposed to be made in the USA, so that was another reason, another thing I liked about it, is what they said it was made in the USA. But one of the things I noticed already, let me get that one, what a pain in the butt. There it is. Alright, one of the things I noticed on this was, don't know how far away, let's see. I'll get you up closer, hold on. Now we're up closer, one of the things I noticed, there's a cut here. And I mean, that looks, well, I guess not as bad as what I thought it was. But I hope that stays in there and that goes in away in that plastic. So there it is. I like the way it went on. I mean, it was simple. Guys told me it was simple. There's really nothing to it. It was simpler than this other one that I had. And I had a video on putting this other one on. But as I said, this other one I didn't like because no matter what I did with these clamps, I kept losing them. They kept falling off, kept sneaking down. Water'd stay in it. There's nothing wrong with it. You know, maybe if I would have propped it up differently, I could have kept the water off of it, whatever. But there's nothing wrong with that. So hey, if somebody wants to buy the old one, let me know. Shortbed Chevy, 2002, up to what, 07? Let me know. But that's it for this one. Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See ya. We'll see how my Gator holds up. Gator truck bed protection. So I just wanted to clarify a little bit about that Gator cover. I actually got a coupon savings on it. There was some reason there was. So I actually ended up paying $175 for that, and then got cash back on my Amazon card. And with saying that, I will put a link down below to my Amazon store where you can find that cover. It no longer has the coupon, but if you would like to purchase one, it'll be there. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!